Oh man, I was on mute the whole time. Sorry about that, guys. Oh my gosh. Give me 1 second. Oh, can you speak really quick?
Sure, I can. Testing one, two, three, four.
There
Hello,
we
good
go.
morning.
And I was talking to myself. No, I was talking with you.
And you were
Um,
talking to me.
yeah.
Okay, okay. So I'm shop liver. Okay.
No one said anything. All right. We were talking about Walmart's partnership with Litecoin. They're gonna be taking payments with cryptocurrencies.
Yeah, I'm still
ATR.
not seeing that in TDA.
It's on there. Yeah, go to. I'm telling you, you have to make a Twitter account. Twitter is always like on the dime with these updates. 50 seconds ago, a Ortex
Yeah,
tweeted.
you know what? I don't like Twitter. I'm not going to do that. I mean, I got a Twitter account. I don't use it. It's it notifies me of stupid shit, and I'm about to uninstall it again.
That's why I made a different account. I have two accounts. My personal one, which I don't even go on anymore because all the drama on there with friends and stuff. And then I have the stock one where I just follow finance pages.
Yeah, none of my
That's it.
friends or family. None of my friends or family knows I have Twitter.
Although no, if you link your phone number, I think it'll say
Uh,
Rob is
yeah, it's
on
not by
Twitter.
phone. Yeah, no. I will block them, unfriend them. I will do
Right.
whatever.
Ryan, Artex just actually tweeted about ATER. They said short interest update. This is literally like 50 seconds ago. ATER continues to perform strongly, currently up over 30%, having crossed $15, 53% with utilization being at 99%. That is ATER, which just hit 15 bucks. This one last week, we were watching it 11. Wow, I didn't think it would have hit 15 today. I think we're seeing more and more short squeeze plays than last time around, like a couple months ago. There's a
They're trying
lot
to
more.
distract everybody.
And this dump here on AMC is like, you can't make this up. These pullbacks. Are we gonna have an opposite day or what? Is this opposite day? GameStop goes up, AMC comes down. Because last Friday it was what the opposite, right? AMC went up and GameStop went red.
Well, actually, AMC was going green this morning. They were up. They were over 51 this morning.
Starting
Pre-market.
October 1st, Walmart.
Oh, they're still up. What are you talking about?
What do you mean? No, it's still green. It's up 3%, but this pullback here is not a good sign.
Oh,
Cause I'm thinking earlier before I started the stream, I was taking a look at the 5 minute, right, and I'm just zoomed out, and all I see is this massive uptrend, even on the 4 hour. Look at this crazy uptrend. Like, when does the pullback start? Like, is it today? Cause it's still early. The market, this can go red today. We don't know.
look. Big if, huge if AMC, GME, and all the other meme stocks are still stuck in these supposed, not supposed, but supposed futures contracts. They didn't roll those out like they should have last week. So this week could be an interesting take on everything. We'll see. If everything starts ramping up, then that means they're renewing the contracts, or that they are not renewing the contracts, and that they are going to go ahead and try and close out what they can. They're going to try and do a um, basically a squeeze, but a controlled squeeze, a fake squeeze, whatever, try and get people to shake out. And if they don't do it, then that DD, that theory is probably shot to hell.
There was another interesting piece over the weekend that also gained a lot of popularity. It had to do with the
Oh
glitch
God,
on
don't you
yacht.
dare talk to me about
I
that
did not read it.
box.
To be honest, I did not read it because I was out and about and I was just scrolling through it. It was like an essay. It was like a book. It was just
It,
so long. I was like, "There's no way I'm gonna read this right now."
it had nothing to do with the box, the seller boxing, right?
It had to do with a glitch on the Yahoo Finance price, not the price,
Oh
but like the float. No, something like that.
yeah, okay.
I didn't read it. It was just so long. It got like 50,000 upvotes. It went like trending on the actual Reddit, like the all tab where it shows you the all the
Yeah,
subreddits.
yeah. That one actually has some merit to it.
It had to do with the IP address, right? That's interesting. That's interesting. Let's see. If I go to Yahoo Finance right now and I put AMC, what's gonna happen? What's it gonna show me?
Uh, Depends. Are you going to go to
Tesla, stop
you
falling.
You going to go to US or you going to go to European?
Wow, Tesla's really tanking right now. It had a little nice little pre-market pop, but I did not think I would have seen Tesla fall like this. Look at this. AMC's falling too. Well, at least AMC's still green. Damn.
Yeah.
How much more do we wait till we buy this? I'm saying 725s. Let's see. Let's see if we hit 725. ATR's popping.
Yeah, somebody seems to think it's going to go to 25.
You never know.
I won't mention his name, Eric.
Kyoto?
No, Eric.
It's gonna nade in. Oh, buying that dip on Bitcoin is pumping. Yes, Bitcoin and cryptos in general are probably popping because Walmart said that they're going to be accepting cryptocurrencies starting on October 1st. How spooky. October 1st, you're going to be able to pay with Litecoin. They announced a partnership with Litecoin. Let's take a look at Walmart stock. How's that doing? It's up. I remember I was bored and I bought the Walmart dip, which was not a bad play, by the way. It's an amazing long-term play.
So you bought the Walmart dip at what $6.94?
Absolutely not. It was still like 120 something on the day. This dip right here. This was back in February, March. Right here. And I bought here and it still went at 126. So it still continued to fall. Not until it started showing signs of support, signs of reversal, is where you should have bought more. And now it had hit 154, nearly almost a new high. AMC 51, Tesla 726, actually hit 725. So if this plays out like I think it will, we should see a nice little rip back into the close today. Because I mean, look at this dump here, 754 on Friday.
Well, your girl sold all her or sold half her shares, so
Kathy. All right, let's see.
it's going to 3K. It's going to 3K, and then she sells half her shares. What the fuck's up with
From the looks
that?
of it right now, we're going to 700.
I'm
Mar
not sure. It doesn't look like it's stopping.
it's Desmond. That's why I'm waiting. Look at this new low, 724. Moran says he's buying Rocket tomorrow. Or Rocket soon. What is it? RKT, right? Rocket? Alright, let's start. Oh, damn it. Please don't be the bounce.
I thought you wanted it to bounce.
But I don't want it to bounce without me. Alright, let's see. AMC 51 still. AMC consistently every Friday, as it has been forming higher lows. Every Friday's closing price is higher than the previous Friday. So above 51 this week is a big W. Let's see what AMC does this week. We're not cut short this week either. We do have all 5 trading days. 726. I'll be patient because I still think AM Tesla could come down even lower.
Yeah, Marantz, if we don't see it, you get banned.
RKT today is what I would not be surprised if this runs today. This was one of those other stocks that actually ran the previous AMC Squeeze 70. This one, which is about to hit a new yearly low, by the way. Did you see the VIX last week?
Yeah, did you see it this morning?
It tanked, no?
It was all over the place. No, this morning it was going up.
Well, pre-market it fell, and then right now it's shooting back up. Let's see, a SPY coming down. Yeah, SPY's
All
coming
long, and
down.
it was hilarious. It was up, up, up. I mean, it was over 21, then it was down, then it was up. I mean, it was. I'm loving China
Look at
because
Litecoin.
they can't make up what they're they can't make up their mind what they're going to do to the market.
Look at the Nasdaq futures are tanking. Tesla's coming down, baby. Some Apple. I have my freaking iPhone event tomorrow. As an event, this one had a nasty sell-off on Friday because they lost that Epic Games case with the Fortnite situation.
Yeah, Fortnite is but Fortnite's actually appealing that decision too.
This caused a sell-off. I did not find the news till like 5 minutes after. Believe it or not, I was going crazy. I was like, why is Apple tanking like this? There's Tesla coming down. I mean,
Oh
tomorrow.
hell, I know I posted that in one of the chats.
Tesla's, woo, boy. Let's see. All right, let's grab 2 shares here. It keeps coming down. We'll just keep on adding. At this point, all right, we cracked 720s.
Dude, if it gets
It can get
any
ugly. It could get
lower,
700. I posted
yeah,
that somewhere. Where did I post that? Tesla might hit 700 this week. I think I told Sax a lot. Yeah, let's look at Litecoin. They announced a partnership with Walmart, but I don't know how it's doing price wise.
would you
200?
stop using his name? Guess who just showed up?
Speaking of the devil. Oh my gosh, look at Litecoin's chart. Da,
Eric, I
da,
didn't
da,
look
da,
at him to
da, da,
begin
da,
with.
da,
You got my
da.
login.
Walmart, boom. It went from 170 to 220. 227. It's moving so fast, the price doesn't even know where it's at. Tesla 721. 228. Oh yeah, only about 2 shares, Sax a lot. It's interesting because Tesla had a nice little pop pre-market. If you see this little gap up here, and then it just boop tanked. Affirm. Wow. By the way, you guys know how I mentioned that trader? His name's Umar. He sold he held. So he had bought a ton of shares. He bought like 10,000 shares at 68, and he got lucky because Amazon announced a partnership with the firm, and it gapped up to 110, and he still held. He did not sell one share. I think he even bought more, and it went up even more to the 125 range, and he sold everything on Friday, locked in like half a million profit on the trade. And look at this, it's pulling back now. Talk about timing. It's insane. That's why I have a couple of alerts on here. That's mind blowing. Let's take a look at AMC. Still at 51. Not worried on this at all.
Hey, Ralph, you love Litex. Would you help Eric out and pull up Aider for him?
You mean the best, most reliable software for short interest
Yeah,
in the
you love
market?
Litex.
Ortex.
That's not what its name is.
See what do we get in on this sucker? We got in at what, 723? Not bad, not bad. Let's set an alert here. If Tesla stabilizes today around 720s, we'll probably get some more into close. Back to AMC 51. What stock was it?
You asking me?
Yeah, for what? For which
Aider.
stock? Oh, Ader?
A-T-E-A-T. Yeah, Eric wants to see Aider
Or
because he's a gator. I'm just a hater, so I don't want to even look at it.
Hater Gator. 53%. There you have it. Oh, I also heard that AMC also has like 20% now. All-time records. Let's see if that's true. Yep,
No, Eric, I
20.31.
didn't.
This is apparently the all-time high ever for AMC. I thought it was around 20% though last time. They were saying 19%, but I think this is the all-time high SI for AMC. The cost to borrow is not the all-time high. We've seen higher on this. Litecoin is at 229. It's up 26%. Bitcoin over 47K right now. What is happening? Let's take a look at Bitcoin futures on here. Bitcoin. Yep. Look at this pop. I don't even want to go on Twitter and look at Bitcoin.
Sure you do.
All the Bitcoin bulls are probably out there celebrating right now. Bitcoin was 44K this morning. There you go. 4K pop on Bitcoin. I wonder if AMC trend is going to change because of the holiday we had last Monday. I don't think so, but that's also the same question I had. If you look at the 4 hour on AMC, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. 720 on Tesla. Looks like it might hit new lows. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Complete poop. We're tanking on here. And we're still managed to be green on the day. Can you believe that? This stock is
No,
well, the
it's the
futures.
stock market.
Completely free
Everything,
falling, and we're in the green.
everything's believable and possible. Smoke and mirrors, magic tricks.
Facebook coming down. AMC is surprisingly holding 51 fairly well. GameStop 194. Morning, Pam. Cowboys. Oh man, I can't believe they lost. I did not want to do a bell to bell stream.
No, what do you mean you can't believe they lost? That was if they had won, you would have been doing the bell to bell.
But they were
So
gonna lose. Did you not watch the last couple minutes?
I watched the entire game.
I stopped watching it when they were losing, and then when they won, I was like, what in the world? Tropical storm Nicholas has formed in the southern western Gulf of Mexico. That's not good.
What the hell am I looking for here? Oh, that's right, options chain.
AMC looking juicy. GameStop 194. The meme stocks are alive this morning. They're not coming down anymore. Still waiting for this sucker. I'm still waiting for Tesla to crack 720. El Nino. What year was that one? I told you, Ralph, never worry if Tom Brady gets the ball in the last 2 minutes with the chance to win. That's when he actually tries. They said he was too old, man. How old is Tom Brady? Well, like 36? Let's see, Google. How old is... He's
Better put a
44!
four. Yeah, I was gonna say you better put a four in front of that.
I'm confusing him with the other GOAT, Ronaldo. He's 36 and he runs like he's 20. That's what you call the storm coming from Mexico every year. Oh, that's why I was like, I've heard that before. The child. Can we buy Tyson chicken now? I don't know. Do they still have that bacteria? I can't
All
believe
the
he's
time.
44. Or are you talking about not the bacteria, like the shortage that we have with chicken right now? I read a good quote the other day. The only difference between a casino and the stock market is the casino provides you free drinks. That's a good one. 228 Litecoin still. It's like the price is frozen. It's not moving. I'm watching this and it's not moving. 230, there we go. It's up 60 bucks. Damn it, Tesla did not come down. We got only 2 shares at 723. We'll wait for this to come down even more. I didn't want this to bounce right now, actually. I want this to tank to like 710s. Nah, we'll wait. BBIG was another one last week. This one's at 10. How about Spurt? Support,
It's
Spirit.
it's up. Spurt.
It's down
You said it right the
4%.
first time. It was up this morning, so I'm pretty sure it's still up. I could be wrong. It was up like $2, I think.
It's at 20. We'll see what happens with this. I think Spur has a higher chance to pop again than Rocket, RKT. How about ATER? Let's take a look at that one. Oh wow, it hit 17. This one's the only one that's massively green right now, up nearly 40%. Let's watch this one. Let's go to AMC. Set a couple of alerts on this sucker. There's not a lot of action going on with AMC right now, which is not a bad thing. Let's go to Ater. Let's watch this. Not bad of an uptrend either. Missed my buy orders on Matic and Cardano by 1 cent each last night. Oh, that's why sometimes it's just better to buy in at whatever price it's at, because then that happens and you're just like, damn it, just set a stop loss. We're not today's going live around 8ish, so like in an hour and 7 minutes. I'm shorting Spurt again. Not happy with being burned last time. I'm going for it again. Be careful with revenge trading. Phoenix.
Oh, that's a bad way to do it. You're getting emotional,
Be
bro.
careful with revenge trading. Trust me. There's days where you take an L on a stock and you're like, ah, man, like that should have been a profit. You know what? Let's make that money back. That's the worst thing you can do. Be
Yeah,
careful with
you're
that.
getting emotional.
You're trying to
I
revenge. That's it ends worse. You'll end up losing
never.
more probably, for the most part. It's hard to take a loss and be like, you know what? Let's come back tomorrow. It's hard to do that. It's hard to log off and take an L. But trust me, come back tomorrow, fresh head. It's a new day, You want to live to see a new day. Like the market's going to be here in 20, 30 years from now? Are you going to be here?
Me? No.
Oh my gosh, they're saying. I can't believe this. Can you guys believe this? I can't believe my eyes. Fake news. Fake news now circulating that Walmart, the world's largest retail, is now partnering with Litecoin. That's fake news? They got us again. I can't believe it. First it was the Amazon BS. Now it's this. I need to verify this. No official sources from
It was.
Walmart have confirmed this news. It's all from the same blog that started the rumors that Amazon, Walmart, and Apple adopted Bitcoin a few months back. Clearly a trap to manipulate the prices, then dump on the buyers. Don't fall for it. Let's go to Litecoin's Twitter. Let's see. Litecoin should have it. There we go. Globe Newswire. Is that?
Oh, good God. Seriously, that's who it's through?
Oh my God, Tesla's
Globe
tanking
News,
still. Let's go.
Globe Newswire is a joke.
But Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin. Oh my God, stop with the alerts. Affirm is still tanking. It looks like Nasdaq is still bleeding out of nowhere. Yeah, another nosedive down. There we go. Futures are still tanking. This market heat map was looking green, but now we're looking fairly mixed. Yeah, Globe Newswire, 4 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago now, Litecoin tweeted. Yeah, that's the website. It looks like crap. The website looks like I made it up. I could have done better than this. William White, Senior Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer at Walmart. William White. Let's Google this guy. Doesn't come up. Meet TikTok's heartthrob. He's a TikToker. He's a TikToker. There we go. LinkedIn. So this is the guy. William White. I guess we'll have to. No, but how is it fake if it was on here as well? Take a look. How about BZ Newswire?
Benzinga, basically still another paid service, but they'll pick up just about anything. But they're saying Doug McMillon, which is the Walmart CEO or was, I think he still is.
Yeah, it's on here. Yeah, Macmillan, right?
But I'd be more interested, be more interested to find out what Walmart has to say about that.
Imagine Walmart comes out and says we have nothing to do or are affiliated with
Oh
Litecoin.
yeah,
That would be
yeah.
so epic. That would be like the Amazon thing again, like the fake rumors. Like at what point do you have to? Are you so desperate to make fake news like that?
Well, that will end up causing the FBI to look into this stuff, which would be funny.
I'm calling Raw CNN from now on. Hey man, it was all over Twitter. I was like, you know what? This looks legit. I saw it on here. I verified it on the news tab for Walmart, and then out of nowhere, I follow this. I follow this page. It's called Mr. Whale. I've mentioned it here on the channel. He's like the biggest bear on Bitcoin and crypto ever, and I like to follow him because he gets a lot of hate. Like all the replies on his tweets are insane. But he kept on calling a crash on September 7th when El Salvador adopted Bitcoin. He's like, September 7th, Bitcoin's gonna crash. And it did crash. It pulled back.
It's not on their website, bro. So, eh, nothing saying they're not, but nothing saying they are either. And I think they would have I think they would have posted
Announced it,
something
right?
like that.
Well, let's just
Yeah.
wait. Maybe they will because the price of Litecoin seems to not care. It's actually going higher. 232. Let's go back to AMC. Uh-oh. ATER. Looks like it might hit a new high here.
What, $2.50? Okay.
Let's see it. Might go to 20 today. We don't know. Uh-oh. The price is literally glitching by $10 on Litecoin. It goes from 232 to 222 in a flash. Litecoin pumping is a very bad sign for the rest of the market. 219 actually. It's coming down. I forgot about the CPI. It is tomorrow, by the way. No, is it today or tomorrow?
It's tomorrow.
Oh, I thought it was on the 13th of every month. William Williams? No, William White. You just pissed off the Spartans. Well, Phoenix did say he was shorting Spurt, and I'm glad to see a tank for him. GameStop with the new pop, 196. It's up 3% today. Do we close above 200? What do you think, Rob? 200 this week? 200 plus? Or we just stay at max pain?
Max Payne, my bet. Unless we find out that, I mean, if that um, futures thing is real, then we don't stand a chance of being anywhere around 200 by the end of the week. But otherwise, yeah, it's going to be at Max Payne. All right, looking at Walmart's Twitter, they neither confirm nor deny it either.
Mr. Whale tweeted again. He said the Litecoin plus Walmart partnership news is likely fake. No official sources have confirmed it. Rumors started from a fake news blog and boosted by the Litecoin Twitter account, which isn't even run by the Litecoin devs. I did not know that. Walmart will likely make announcement soon denying it.
So basically, what you're saying is you're about to unfollow them, huh?
Oh wait,
Okay.
the tweet has been deleted from Litecoin? No, it's still here. Oh, they deleted it. They took it down. I can't believe this. Let's take a look at Litecoin price.
Yeah,
It's back
somebody's
at
gonna get back
225.
down.
Whoever was running
Somebody,
this account, they're like, you know what? Let's take advantage of this to pump the price. I cannot. You guys are watching
yeah.
this live here. I fell for this bait. Tesla's coming down still.
Okay, CNBC. Well, you do. Your uncle has to be Kramer.
I'm telling you, it's runs in the family, the genes. Tesla's not looking healthy, huh? No, I'm still waiting for like. I thought 725 was a good buy, and then when you take a look at the overall Nasdaq and what happened last Friday with it just tanking like that, you kind of want to be patient at times. That's why you only buy in the small increments, just in case the situation happens where it keeps on falling and we hit 700. You're not stuck holding up. You're not in a hole, right? You know. But since last Friday, we've been tanking on this, so I think it'll be an amazing rebound play. You know, Tesla is always rebounding like crazy. There's not one time where this stock has not rebounded like epically. Like the last bounce we had was $100, $100 bounce from 650 to 750. I almost even hit 800.
So, Ralph, let me ask you something. Seeing as how you reported the Litecoin thing so well, how was our uh, retreat, evacuation, abandonment of Afghanistan? Did it go perfect?
I don't want to answer that on here. I feel like I'm on CNBC right now. Oh man,
Oh, good
look at
Lord.
this.
Okay, wait. Litecoin verified account. It says it's verified.
I'm telling you, the account is legit verified. Like you would not expect it to not be from the devs. This guy, Delta One, Walter, he's always copied and pasting whatever's on the Bloomberg terminal and posting it on Twitter for free. You don't have to pay 20,000. What is it? $22,000 a year, 24, whatever.
24.
This
Yeah.
guy gives it to you for free. So if you like his tips, he has a PayPal link in the description. Donate to him, like whatever. Like this guy's on it, he's on the ball, man. Like this guy's always tweeting. breaking news, and he's very quick on it too. So he just tweeted that Litecoin verified account deletes tweet on Walmart. The news.
Yeah,
So
another
Litecoin back down
question.
to 206.
Dude, I would unfollow that account if I were you, because it just made you look silly.
Hey, I was quick to correct it.
Yeah, you were quick to correct it. That's true.
Like Walmart. I mean Walmart. Mr. Pomp. He tweeted Walmart press release on Litecoin is fake. Don't fall for nonsense. Wow. Yeah, I was quick to correct it, man. I was very quick. I verified it. I quote unquote verified it with the live news tab here on Walmart's thing. This is Tesla's, not Walmart. Let's see if they
But
correct it
yeah,
here.
I verified it too. And there's two there, but Benzinga, yeah,
Yeah, Bazinga's not that great. They reached out to me like a couple months ago. They wanted me to pump their software, whatever, their service. I was like, I don't even use you guys. Like, why would I pump something I don't use? Doesn't make any
right.
sense. I can't believe it. That website's the one to blame. What was it? And that wasn't Newswire. It wasn't Benzinga. It was Global Newswire.
Yeah, and
That's
it
what you
cost
have to be
somebody all of
careful.
$100 to put that news, that press release out.
Probably.
Wonder how much money they made.
That's how you pump your own bags. Well played, Litecoin Twitter team. This is a level of scam I haven't seen before.
I mean, crypto's got the right, question
That
there.
that yeah,
You could see,
exactly. That's what I
you
was
could see,
wondering.
you could see Bitcoin, you could see Ethereum, you could see maybe Cardano, and I'm going for a real big stretch here, crypto,
Dogecoin.
maybe even Doge, but Litecoin,
That's one
eh,
thing I had in mind this morning. I'm like, out of all of them, why Litecoin? Well, you would expect Bitcoin, right? But Litecoin? Moran says, Rob, having a debate with my son. End it. Audi is the best car company. They built the best cars. Not gonna lie, Mercedes. They have the most reliable car. That Mercedes will not give up on you like that.
that's true.
A
But
Mercedes.
Hey, you got to give credit to Audis. They actually have cameras that look for the speed limit signs and they go 5 miles an hour under.
Really?
Seems that way every time I'm behind one of them some bitches.
Or that's the slow ass driver. No, but Mercedes are really, really reliable vehicles. And I'm not talking
I
like the
bought
high
one
end like G
CS.
wagons. No, I'm talking like the basic affordable ones like CLA 250, C300. Those are really reliable, by the way. Run very smooth, very quick, elegant, luxury.
Oh, you heard it from Phoenix first.
Portnoy's buying Walmart. I haven't
Uh-huh.
followed him on Twitter after he was just annoying. He was just pumping Safe Moon and whatnot. I was like, come on, man. AMG hands down. There we go. AMC's pulling back here. Gotta take a look at Walmart. Stock is
Well,
still
darn, that
up.
means you don't drive a freaking Audi.
I think he blocked me on Twitter. What's his Twitter?
Who? Portnoy?
Yeah.
Probably because you were giving him shit when he paper handed.
No, I wasn't.
Bet you were.
Why would I give somebody shit that did the exact
I
same thing as
don't
I
know,
did?
because you were going along with the crowd. I don't know.
Let me see.
I'm just giving you shit right now. So,
There we go. I found his Twitter. He's not verified, by the way. That's interesting.
then
Nowhere
how do
on
you know
here.
it's him?
Nowhere on here does he say he's buying Walmart.
But you heard it first from Phoenix, man. That's a verified source.
Phoenix, you're a shill. Litecoin. Litecoin is trending on Twitter. Oh my god, see, this is a reliable source. Reuters. Walmart to accept Litecoin payments. See how gullible they are too? Fake news. This is the page. Don't fall for it.
Oh my God.
Everybody fell for this.
Well, Reuters picked it up because Benzinga picked it up.
Walmart officially denies. Oh, poor noise, my brother. He's taking over Walmart. Is gonna make it a Doge. Doge not only currency allowed in stores.
Well, then they're going to lose my business.
You can't buy
Is that-
Walmart. Help God help Ralph. What? Hey, when he said he's buying Walmart, I thought he was buying the stock, not the actual company. You know, like oh he's buying Walmart, oh he's buying the stock, right?
Why don't you just say Burry's buying Walmart, Phoenix?
Guess who's back on Twitter? Michael
Yeah.
Burry, Cassandra. What an interesting time he comes back, right? Like right as Spy starts to turn back down. Look at this. Still green, but barely. As soon as a Spy starts to come down, he comes back. Ride. Wow. The poo
And you
poo
know
on a
what?
stick.
This downturn is early.
Yeah, because
Way
usually
early.
the 19th, right? Like next Monday.
18th, yeah, 18th, 19th is its normal time frame. Yeah.
So this little line here I drew is where I thought the DMA, the purple line, was gonna meet the candle, the stock. So right here. So it's almost there. But hmm. I don't know, man. Every time the spy hits the DMA, the 50 DMA on the daily, it bounces. Look at this. Every single time it's bounced.
Yeah, but if you look at it, probably about the shit, maybe Friday, which would be what, the 17th, 18th, 19th would be the weekend. So it might be coming in early because of that. But I'm betting it's going to go under.
You think
I'm
so?
betting, I'm betting it breaks it.
Let's see it.
I don't think anybody wants to see it. I'm serious because on
That's
the other side of that support level, oh, it's ugly.
all right. Tesla 713 is still sinking. Beautiful, beautiful dip on here. Like, look at this. Set alerts on this sucker.
Darth, we're hoping it's only a 10 to 15%.
It's about one more share. 712. Alert. Out or below. Let's go back to AMC. And pulling back, finding support. So ATR looking prime to rip here. Look at these higher lows. Resistance at 1750. Is it going to break out? I know Eric's probably still holding this.
Oh, you know he is. I think he's got 1,000 or 2,000 shares.
This is a sign we need to eat 7-Eleven sushi. Stock is at 7-Eleven for Tesla.
Oh, 2,000.
He says he's selling at 20s, baby.
No, he's
2,000
not.
shares. He says right here 20s,
No,
baby.
no, he thinks it'll go to 40. You overpaid, Marantz. If you paid $1,660, you overpaid.
Oh my god. 7-Eleven for Tesla. Someone get me some sushi from 7-Eleven. Damn.
Why do you want to poison yourself?
It's the good luck. Look at this. This is going to be the low of today. Tesla's not
I mean,
coming down
the
under
only way you could do worse
7-Eleven.
is the only way you could do worse is go, to the Exxon.
It's like the Mexican gas stations.
Yeah, or something like that. Yeah.
7-Eleven 10. It's not worth selling right now and missing the gains. Hey man, a bird in the hand. Or two in the bush. You don't know if this stock comes down and it just tanks and you're like, man, I should have sold there. I should have locked in half.
That is always a good winning plan.
Trust me, that feeling of knowing you had it in the bag to
I mean,
losing it.
at the
Oh
very least,
man.
At the very least, you lock in your original investment.
Oh, there we go. He has the stop losses set. So I'm good. There we go. Oh my gosh. 708.
Dude,
It's coming to 700. It's coming
it's
to
looking
7.
like it's going to go to 700.
I can't believe
Yes,
it.
it does.
This is the why you have to play it safe. Small amount of shares. They could keep on tanking. Once we crack 720, I was like, yeah, this is probably going to 700. That's the next line of least resistance. 700. These whole numbers are like magnets. Take a look at NASDAQ futures. And with the NASDAQ coming down like this, it does not help it at all. Apple has a new event tomorrow for the iPhone 13. Buy the rumor, sell the news, possibly. Get that 5G, baby. Eric, so ATR is the new AMC? Maybe, we don't know.
No, Eric says it's the new spark, the new premature ejaculation.
Happy Monday. Here's what to be aware about. For the week ahead, the Met Gala is tonight. Okay. New iPhones come out tomorrow. Recall vote for Mr. Gavin Newsom tomorrow. Inflation data drops tomorrow. And Broadway returns tomorrow.
Wow, I'm guessing a bunch of Tesla bulls don't like Kathy Woods either because her arcs were going down.
Oh, it looks like Tesla. Look at this. Look at the ARK fund. The Tesla's chart. Literally the same thing. Roku probably tanking. Yeah, they have a lot of Roku too. T-Doc, Teladoc is another one tanking.
Yeah, they're shorting the hell out of her.
Hey man, thank you, Kathy, for giving me a nice little discount on Tesla. But please save me again. Don't take me down. Oh, Litecoin 187. Litecoin just lost all of its gains. Actually, no. It started at 170. It was trading around 170. It went all the way up to 230 something. So we're only a couple bucks away from the low. That sell wall at 200 disappeared on GameStop again. We're moving up again. It didn't crack 200 today though. Not yet. If Tesla doesn't bounce off this level, she's changing the trend. Absolutely. If it does not bounce in the next couple days, get out of the stock. It's probably going to come down 650s maybe. Let's refresh Vortex.
And just a heads up for you two, you and Morant, I'm being pressured to start my own stream if y'all keep this garbage up. I'm too sick or I'm running an experiment.
Honestly, I would let you stream.
What was the experiment Friday, by the way?
My experiment was just to not stream and just look at the markets myself. Can you believe that? Just turn on my phone like I used to do, close Discord, just look at charts, and that's it. That was my experiment, believe it or not.
And what did you discover, sir?
That I am more focused. That's what I discovered. I'm just more in tune with. I'm just more focused. That's why having your stream would not be a bad idea. Like I would be all for that. I would stop streaming, and it would just be you and Morantz. You know. That's my experiment.
Okay.
So that would not be a bad idea. I would help you out. I would help you out with designing like a little banner or something. I don't know. Thumbnails.
I was being asked what I was asked what your experiment was. I was like, I don't know. He didn't tell me.
Right.
He just said something about an experiment.
That was my experiment. I'm like, you know what? Because there was a day after the bet of the Cowboys thing, right? So I did not lose, right? I didn't have to do bell to bell. So I was like, you know what? I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna just go back to January of this year. Just wake up. I would not have my phone at all when I was trading. No distractions. I would have Twitter, but I wouldn't really refresh it. I wouldn't really care what was going on with Twitter. Unless there was like a massive sell-off on something, then there had to obviously be a catalyst. Stocks don't drop for no reason, you know? There has to be a reason. So, yeah, Moran says he's been loving not streaming.
Well, you guys heard it here first, so.
Yeah, Rob needs to have his own stream. I thought on Friday you and Morantz had a big argument about the football and killed each other in some huge epic battle royale. Yeah, we weren't hearing from Morantz either. I'm like, what's going on here?
Yeah.
Well, I heard the Cowboys lost because of some call, right? Like some foul. I guess he pushed
Oh
him.
yeah, it was.
I don't
There
know
was
the
definitely
rules, so
pass
explain it to
interference.
me.
There was definitely a pass interference.
Was
But
that because he reached out with his left arm or like or what?
yeah, well, the side judge was looking. Yeah, he pushed off, but the side judge was looking at his feet instead of looking up. So
Don't
it
they
was
have
a bullshit.
cameras? They could review the play like soccer.
No, 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 no. If the flag doesn't come out initially, it doesn't happen that way.
See, that's the problem. They should be. They should have. They should have cameras there. VAR like they do in
Oh, well, they
soccer.
got cameras all over the place, but if a ref doesn't see it, I mean, there's situations where the people up upstairs can do something, but it's rare that they ever do anything like that. But it also boils down to, had the kicker not missed an extra point and missed a freaking field
He
goal.
missed the kick.
Oh, he missed two kicks
Call me up, baby. I'll
early in the
replace him right
game.
now. I'll make those
I
kicks.
wouldn't doubt that they didn't already. I haven't looked into it.
Just like they did with that GameStop executive. You're out, baby. Out the door.
But I mean, I honestly think anybody else could have gone in there and done better,
Telling you.
especially on a freaking field goal. Come
A field
on.
goal. Just kick the ball and you'll make it. Uh-oh. Eric's celebrating. ATR. It's about to hit eight. It just hit $18. It's up 53%. The momentum on the stock is nuts. Meanwhile, GameStop and AMC retrace slightly to the lows. Moran says he's doing a football recap today. Pay attention. 3 kicks. New Orleans Saints, #1. Trying to imagine Rob Home Alone face thumbnail. Rob needs to do the clickbait. I'll help you out with your thumbnails and titles. Let's see. Support is getting pumped on Twitter by a former. Oh no.
You know what my thumbnail is going to be, don't you?
Um,
The number one sign.
what do you mean?
Somebody tells you you're number one when you're driving in LA.
I don't get it. Your #1 driver in LA.
Okay, hang on. I'll
Because the
send it
drivers
to
out
you.
here are complete. They're aggressive. You have to be a
You,
defensive
you,
driver
you,
out
you
here.
think?
You get used to it.
Oh, Darth sent it for me. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. I was busy
Oh,
looking
there
for
we
it.
go. I was like, #1.
I was busy scrolling trying to find it because I don't know the little. Oh, it's MI middle finger. Okay.
Well, this guy tried to cure his Rona disease, right? The Ovid with the Vicks, and the expiration date on his 1987. Wow, how does he still have it? Uh-oh, Walmart has confirmed news about Litecoin partnership is fake from
Thank you.
CNBC. From CNBC. Let's take a look. See if they're actually. They're always on break when I try to join. I'm telling you, it's a
Well,
sign that I should not.
it's commercial right now anyway.
It's a sign I should not be on there. Saints did look good. How about the Rams? Didn't the Ram? No. The Chargers, no? Didn't they play? Did they win?
Well, Darth, nobody's going to know I'm eating anything because I'm not going to have a camera. I'm not even sure how I would do this because I don't have a microphone. I guess I would just chat in the chat with everybody.
You go on Amazon and you put cheap microphones, and then you would just
Why would
connect.
I do that? Why would I do that when I'm a GameStop stockholder? Why wouldn't I
That's
buy from
Wow.
GameStop?
Does GameStop have microphones? Yeah, they probably do because
Yes.
they're gaming, right? Let's take a look. Gaming
They got
headset.
cameras, they got microphones, they got headsets, they got all sorts of shit.
Yeah, that was a stupid question for my part. Yeah, $20. Look,
It was
20 bucks. 20 bucks. You could score $5 every month for going pro. Look, you save $6 on a. Oh, this is just for PlayStation, I believe. And it's out of stock. The Rams won? No, I thought the Chargers were from here, from LA, no? Can you imagine Rob wearing a gaming headset? I can. You don't even have to have a gaming headset. It could be one of those stand-up mics too. Yeah, GameStop has a lot of good
I can't
products out
imagine
here.
me having any of that. I mean, even my monitor doesn't have a microphone or a camera on it.
Because you have the good ones, the gaming PCs. Those are good for trading, by the way. The
They're
Acer
great. Great.
monitors.
Yeah.
They're great. I
Yeah.
have,
Yeah.
what do I have? Acer, I don't even know what I have.
I've got an Asus.
Anything that has to do with gaming is good for stocks, put it that way. Keyboards, mouse. I'm taking a computer informations class, so I should be knowing every single part about every single component about the computer. Facebook,
Oh, really? Salesforce, please move. Please. Salesforce to employees. We will help you move out of Texas.
you want them out?
TYA.
Everyone's moving to Texas, baby. Texas
No,
moving their.
Salesforce wants its employees to move out of Texas. Hey, don't let the door hit you where the good Lord split you.
Yeah, you need a new mic. I can't hear you.
I said, don't
Oh, there
let the
we go.
door hit you where the good Lord split you. They can move. I don't care. Leave. For the love of God, please leave.
Everyone's moving to Texas.
Floppy disk, tape drive. Let's try that one.
I have a 32 HP. Does anybody here trade from a laptop? I'm curious. I'm very curious.
Well, I took my laptop along when we went to the meeting. I just don't think I ever brought it out.
David, David says Rob would be live streaming using a soup can and a string.
Possibly, or maybe even, I don't know,
Oh man,
smoke signals?
Litecoin went red right now. It flashed red. It lost all of its gains.
Yeah, well, some people got out
Some
with
people
some
made
money.
some money.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to figure out how much was exchanged in that time frame between, the supposed announcement and the supposed retraction.
Almost every media site is now rushing to delete the fake news of Walmart adopting Litecoin. That was fast. This is why don't trust, verify. It's so important. I hope my followers listened to me when I said it was fake news and didn't get suckered into this trap. Via Mr. Crypto Whale.
Well, see, that's the problem. You got FOMO, and that's why there's always a good reason to delay putting something out there.
Because this caught fire quick. Wow. I traded my daughter's Amazon's Fire tablet.
Damn, Eric, you're up, what, 50% from open?
Is it still going up? Oh my god, it hit 19. It's almost at 20. And we're joking about 20. It's almost about to hit 20.
Eric called it. He's also saying it's going to go to 25. I mean, he BSing with me, I think. But hey, if it does, good for him. More power to him.
Hmm. Let's take a look
I
at
think maybe,
SPY.
I think he might be in on the pump though.
Oh, these futures aren't looking juicy, man.
And if he is, when he says he's sold, I would be out of it like in seconds.
Man, look at the high on here. I did not notice this. 48.
But, yeah, 40s. Yeah.
At this point, I wouldn't be surprised if this hits like 26, 25.
Oh, good Lord. Look at that gap. It's going to have to come back and fill.
Puts. Tesla found its bottom looking good now. Let's take a look. I haven't looked at Tesla. 708. I don't think so, man. I don't think it's found its low today. It's so close to 700. I mean, we're not deep in Tesla right now anyways. We only got 3 shares. Doesn't
Eric's
even matter.
lying. He's hitting that sell button right now on ATER. He's lying. He ain't dropping off no kids.
He's dropping off
He's
his
going to turn.
shares. That's what he's doing.
Uh-huh.
I would be selling some too.
He's got that pump in now. He's on the dump side. He'll come back in later today and go sell, sell, sell.
AMC on the other hand is kind of testing the lows here at 50.90. We had a 52.55 test. We could afford any type of pullback on this, honestly. AMC could afford a pullback. Look at the 4 hour. This is looking more bullish. This rally we've had since like late August is looking more solid than the bounce we had here from 43 all the way to 65. Because it's actually maintaining and holding this time. It's not going up too fast, which is always obviously sometimes not the best sign. You don't want things to rally up too quick because then they come down fast.
Yeah.
40s by the end of the week. Don't quote me though. On ATER.
Well, we already did because you put it in there, so it's already part of the stream. So you quoted yourself. And coin's getting hit too.
Because
It's
of the
only
Litecoin
$6,
BS.
but I think it's because of most of the cryptos. Because I think the cryptos were going down this morning. I mean, hell, Bitcoin was down to what 24.5, I think, this morning.
Let's take a look at Bitcoin futures. Ouch. It actually went down even lower than what it was at before. Look at this. This was the Litecoin pump. It had a 3K bounce, and now it just completely
40,
flushed.
yeah, 44.5. Excuse me. Jesus. Yeah, everything looks like it's taking a hit.
AMC is coming down. It looks like AMC might go red today too. That 5 minute on GameStop is silly. This is actually the 1 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. Well, I don't see much. GameStop 193.
Real tight head and shoulders. Real tight.
That's what I'm seeing here on the 1 minute. Yeah, what's going on with uranium? Why do I keep seeing that?
I read that
Wall Street
in
bets.
no
Super stock.
a different subreddit. Let me go see if I can find it. But somebody was talking about it. Where am I going? Besides, out of my mind.
Uh-oh. Litecoin red 181. Uranium.
I read that in our short squeeze this morning. They listed a couple of stocks and uranium, and they may have listed. I don't know how to find the ones I actually saved because I think I actually saved the post, so I don't know how to
Sprott.
find this bullshit. But I read it like 3 or 4 o'clock this morning, I think.
SII.
But somebody in short squeeze talked about uranium this morning.
I guess I'll have to look more into that.
I'll see if I can find the post and I'll link it to you in Discord. But yeah, it was shit. I know that wasn't 13 hours ago.
UEC is a great buy right now. Building a great uranium plant in Wyoming. It might have been one of these stocks that was being pumped. Trading at $2 last week, 284, hit 359 this week. It's almost hitting a new all-time high or new yearly high. Oh yeah, all-time high.
Oh boy, they're pumping
Tesla.
workhorse again.
Oh, Workhorse. There
Yeah,
we
they're
go,
saying it's on
Morans.
sale. They've got no freaking contracts. Of course it's on sale.
Let's see, WKHS. It's not always the case, right? It's like when a stock falls, it's not always on sale.
No.
It's not always on sale. Excuse me. That would be a good pump and dump play, Phoenix. That's the only way I'm seeing it. You get in, you lock your money, and you get out. That's it. Oh, Tesla's moving up? That's not good. Mm. Damn you, Tesla. I really wanted to see 700. We'll see. We'll see. This
Oh,
is
did you
such a dip
did
by.
you
It's good dip by opportunity here. What was that?
did you catch the little news tidbit this morning that CCP is going to be trying to get all to consolidate some of the EV makers over in
China?
China?
I did not, but I would not be surprised. Let's take a look. Neo was one of them. This one took a hit today, but it follows Tesla. Xpeng is another one of them. XPEV, which by the way has some sick vehicles, also down today. China has too many EV companies. Government encourages merger and
There you go.
restructuring. Too many. Neo, we talked about. XPEV, LI, BYD. I've never heard of these.
Hell, it's raining. Huh.
I was about to
Didn't
say,
even expect.
really? I forgot you're in Texas.
No, I didn't expect any rain today. Then again, I didn't even.
Indeed.
Uh,
Oh wow, the Kramer stock. ATER hit 19. Yes, it did. Someone mentioned Neo here earlier that they bought the Neo dip. They bought the AMC Neo dip.
I get the feeling it's going to dip some more.
Yeah, I'm taking a look at the daily here. It's not like Tesla, which has higher lows on the daily. You see here, the Neo's actually just like flatlining here at 35 support. So if it does crack 35, maybe a 32.30 retest. I'm not too fond of this Tesla bounce here. Let's wait for it to come down. AMC still slightly in pain. Still in green though, but not at 52 like we wanted it to. Mid 50 levels. 50.62. Dun dun.
Is this it?
Absolutely incredible. It costs 68 new Ferraris to run a 12-year-old container ship just for 3 months. Catchy headline. Uh, yeah, I keep seeing the Apple event. The Apple event is tomorrow. That might be a buy the rumor, sell the news, to be honest. I have a feeling the new iPhone's gonna suck. AMC will bounce at 50.10 to the 50.20. That's a 10 cents bounce. What are you talking about, Kyoto? Kyoto's trolling right now. Rob, heavy rain coming for Houston area today. Is that because of the Nicolas storm? Is that because of the Mexico storm, I think?
There it
Maybe.
is.
Yep. Mr. Nicholas. 19 hours ago. GameStop at 191 will bounce.
There you go. Linked it to you in Discord. Even though I think there's another one too.
Oh my gosh. I'm buying 10,000 shares of NXEE. This gives me a 70% leverage margin, which I'll buy used to 30,000 of DNN. Never heard of these stocks.
And then if you go into the comments, SPROTT Uranium Trust, and I don't know, I didn't look into any of those, but that might be one of the ones that's running.
People are like, ban this moron. Uranium it is. Yeah, I'll read this because looks interesting. I know also Phoenix mentioned the same fund you mentioned, SPROTT. So we'll see what happens with AMC today. Might go red, I don't know, but we have some cushion for a pullback. I would say a 48 pullback is pretty decent still. 48, 49, not the end of the world. We're going to end the stream here, guys. We're going to be back tomorrow for another live stream. We'll see what kind of rumor BS we get tomorrow. What kind of fake news we got tomorrow. Maybe what kind of partnership do you think next that would be fake? Because they already made the Amazon crypto. Now Walmart. What other companies brought into this fake crypto
Oh hell,
partnerships?
let's just go with Costco next.
Yeah, Costco to accept Dogecoin. only.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, that's interesting. You could pay these freaking publishers like $100 and they'll publish your article.
They don't care.
That's it.
They don't care.
You pump
It's
your
just money to
bags.
them.
Mm-hmm.
They just throw it out on the news wire. There you go.
And then everybody catches onto it. It's trending on Twitter. Reuters, verified websites, and all these Twitter accounts start publishing it like crazy, and there's no substance behind it. It's all fake. But nonetheless, it did have a nice rip from 174 all the way to 230. Now it is back in the red, 182. We'll see where AMC closes at today. Oh, as for Tesla, let's take a one last peek. I'm not too fond of the bounce, but it looks like it found the low today. It's still very much oversold here. Maybe a 737.40 bounce. If it comes down, we'll add more, but we'll see what happens.
Phoenix, could you not have picked somebody other than Hillary?
Taking over Arby's. Enough with the Arby's. All
I
right,
love my
guys.
Arby's. Leave my Arby's alone. Don't pick on my Arby's.
Morantz is going live in like 15 minutes, so we'll be over there in like an hour or so on his channel. He'll be live. I don't know how long he's going live for, but he usually goes live for a couple hours, but depending on how he's feeling. I know he's recovering though. He's looking way happier on stream, more energetic. GG's. We'll see you guys over on Morantz's stream. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, by the way. Peace out. Thank you, Rob, for hopping on once again.
Hey, not a problem. Thanks. Bye.
Peace